Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 2 of the winter quest and Dress to Impress. This one's super easy. Basically, you will need to basically reach the end to enter the ice cave. Just don't hit the snowmans and the presents, and you're just going to go through like the wreaths to go faster. If you do hit like the snowman or the presents, you will go slower, and yeah, you're just going to reach the end. If you do hit it, it's fine. You will just like get there longer. And once you have reached the ice cave, you are going to go to the third sleigh. I don't know what it's called, the third one essentially, but you're going to go through to you're going to ride the third one, and it's going to get you right to the like door where you will be teleported again to chapter 3. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!